Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Trend Striker Extreme Indicator for MT4. This tool plots color-coded candles, arrows, and a trend filter line to highlight strong bullish and bearish phases, aiming to keep you aligned with the dominant move while filtering out minor noise. I just point a load indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now, the trend striker extreme indicator colors candle according to bullish or bearish pressure and can plot arrows where its internal rules detect potential entries or trend shifts. As you can see here, it plots these lines highlighting the trend, blue for bullish and red for bearish. In our case, we replace the arrows with signal dashboard showing the direction of the trend, whether it is up or down, and the strength of the trend. It also shows the current spread and the current date. Now, if we move over to the settings, let's go over to the settings. We have the take profit and stop loss, and we have the period. We can also set alerts, notification alert, and email alert, and also change the color. And let's move forward. Now you can apply this indicator on different time frames from intraday to swing and combine it with your own rules for entries, exits, and stops. You can use it as a visual filter to keep you trading in the direction of strong moves rather than as a standalone signal source. And who is it for? The Trend Striker Extreme is suitable for traders who like visual trend following cues and prefer to trade in the direction of clear momentum. Like any trend tool, it can lag at turning points and produce false signals in choppy or range bound markets. So relying on its colors and arrows alone can be risky. It is best used together with support and resistance, price action confirmation, and robust risk management. The download link can be found in the description below. You can also read more about the Trend Striker Extreme Indicator MT4, including example charts, pros and cons at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.